new design that I am really excited to tell you about. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is a smart wood shop. If you'd like to get a set of plans to build yourself a smart wood shop or one of my workbenches, link in the description of this video down below, where you can go and purchase plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. In my store, you'll also find some affiliate links where if you purchase any tools or materials from them, they'll share a little bit with us, won't charge you any extra, and it helps support the channel. With the big shutdown, I've had a lot of time in the wood shop to work out some things, to work some bugs out, and finish some projects that have been on the back burner. And one of the big projects that's just been hanging over me is to bring the Paulk Workbench 2 into the modern age of the Smart Workbench based on the 32 millimeter system with the 20 millimeter holes, 96 millimeter. You know, all my work has been talking about that quite a bit lately. But the industry standard spacing, industry standard size of holes, it has just been working out so well with my Smart Total Station and the Smart Compact Bench. I wanted to have my larger bench set up exactly the same way. But then I got to thinking, what is it I'm trying to accomplish with the larger workbench? Simple, I want a larger workbench. Well, to have that larger bench, I needed to have the top in two pieces because it's too big to make a 4x8 and carry it onto the job by myself. With the two-part bench, I have found that it takes a lot longer to set up and tear down and to move it even when I'm not only from job to job, but when I'm on the job. I like to move my tools closer to where I'm working. If I'm setting up and building a kitchen out, I want to be right in the kitchen or beside the kitchen in the dining room. I want to be close by because running out to the driveway or the garage just doesn't make any sense. So when I'm done there and then I'm working on a bathroom or working in a bedroom down the hall, I want to scoot my tools down there to, again, to reduce the number of steps, not only for time, but fatigue as well. I offer my clients more value and I'm more profitable when I'm more work efficient. So all of those kind of things, I got to thinking, well, I just want to make the benches bigger. And the compact bench and the Total Station set up so quick. They're just a bench and two sawhorses, sets up in seconds, and I'm ready to go. No origami, putting things together and making it complex. But then I got to thinking, well, carrying that bigger bench, it takes space and then I've got to set it up. And that is a little bit more of putting a puzzle together. What can I do and how can I make the benches that I'm already going to have on the job 100% of the time, how can I just make them do what I need the bigger bench to do? And that's where I came up with this idea of these bench extensions. My working title for them was Transformers because they transformed a smaller bench into a bigger bench. Well, I worked on these. I had some rough ones and they worked, and then I worked on the sizes and the hole spacing. And again, I went back to the sizing them so they're based on 96 millimeters, both width and length. The holes laid out on that same spacing so they would work on the benches anywhere I needed to put them and any direction that I needed to put them. I can turn them and run them out long ways. So I just, with the compact bench, the new Smart Compact Bench, I found that 3 of these set up worked great with the Smart Crosscut for breaking down a lot of plywood. And if you've seen my recent videos, you've seen me using that setup quite a bit. So I resolved my problem and I eliminated my need for the Paulk Workbench 2. I now have the Smart Total Station and the Smart Compact Bench with these smart extensions, and now I have my big bench. I've got my small bench all the time, and then when I need the bigger one, it's there and ready to go. And it sets up quick as well. So with the router table, it worked great in here where the router was in the Total Station. I like to have this bench set up with my tools, so I've got my miter both short and long when I need it. I have my router table set up, perfectly lined up with the router fence designed to fit this location, work right behind the saw. This allowed, with the table saw set up on this end, I had just enough ripping room because, you know, I don't do a lot of wide ripping on the table saw because I have a track saw for that. So everything was dialed in to the millimeter to work perfectly. But then I got this woodpecker fence, which I have just really appreciated the precision and the efficiency of it and how easy it is to use, especially with this micro adjust and the offsetting fences so that I can actually do joining of board edges with this. So there's so much positive about this. I was using it all the time. Well, when I set it up on the total station, it actually, the back of it interfered with the track on the miter saw, so I couldn't use that side of the miter saw when I had the fence set up. It also hung into the space where the miter saw went, so I couldn't swing the miter but more than just a few degrees. Well, I made it work out, and when I was just doing square cutting, I was putting the wood to that side and, you know, just dealing with the router fence. But when I needed to do some serious miter work, then I would just take the fence down, get it done, and then put the fence back. Well, that's not good for workflow, so I wanted to resolve that, and there's really nowhere else to put the router on this and make it work well with the woodpecker. So I got to thinking, well, why don't I just make a smart extension like this, but make it big enough to be a router table? So that's what I did. It's set up, it's just this 18 millimeter board, easy to carry around. It's got a lot of detailing to it, but I figured all of that out. I actually made a prototype and worked some bugs out, and then once I dialed it in, then I made it the final version. And now I'm able to bulk adjust. I've cut some shallow dados on the backside so that the heads of the bolts will slide even right next to the bench. I've thought that through. I've got the clamping, the bench dog holes, the clamping holes, of course bench dogs, because it's laid out, it's on the same layout as the bench. I can use bench dogs when I need to. It planes out perfectly with these extensions, so I could put another extension in here to have more table if I need it. Because it's laid out on 96 both ways, I could actually mount it on the end of the bench here and work this direction. I could move it and set it on the other side. Of course, it'll work on the compact bench anywhere around on the bench. And again, it works with the extensions. So I'm able to take the core of the Smart Woodshop, which is the Smart Compact Bench or the Smart Total Station, and with these extensions, I can do a lot more. I even thought about in making cabinet doors where you're doing the cope and the stick, it's really nice to have two routers. I thought about making another one of these that I can mount right beside it, set up a second router and fence, and I could do my cope and stick. And if you make cabinet doors, you know it's really nice to have a third router so you can do your cope, your stick, and your panel, set everything up, and then you can make your doors without having to change out bits and sizing and all of that. You know, the heights change and all of that. So if you're being productive, it's really nice to have that all set up. As you can tell, I'm really excited about this smart concept, starting with the heart of it being the Smart Compact Bench and the Total Station being quick and easy to set up, but now I can expand them for bigger and more uses. And I've got a lot of ideas for other smart expansions as well. So if you want to stay up to date, see how I use these, and see what else I develop, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and share the channel with somebody you know. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.